Hello, welcome to the weather update. It's 9:30 on March 3rd, 2022, and temperatures are dropping. It's getting cold out there now. Definitely dropped below freezing across much of the area. 28 at Islip, and around 32 at Lakehurst there. Let's look at the current conditions at Islip. Just take a look at the day-to-day we had today. This page will be replaced with, on 322. Okay, so they're going to be changing it to another page apparently or something. Well, hopefully the links will work and everything. You can see it did get up to let's see, we got up to the 40s today, mid 40s at Islip, pretty much the same across the area. You can see the west northwest winds. Temperatures really didn't start dropping until tonight. So around 45 was the high, and we had a little bit of rain overnight. Not all that much really. Not going to go over all the highs today. It's going to be fairly uniform, pretty much. You can see though, with the dew points, and the dew points are dropping into the single digits. That's the sign of Arctic air coming into the area. Looking at the skies right now, we are mostly clear. Actually, we're completely clear, and we're going to hopefully stay that way for a good part of tomorrow. Have a nice day, although it will be cold. It will be sunny. Now today we had sunshine, but there was some cirrus around throughout the day. We had a few clouds over the east end, and then the cirrus kind of snuck in on us a little bit of it. Not really all that much, really. A little bit of it. You can see a little bit of it over the area, but not all that much really to really be concerned about. One thing you'll note here is a little bit of smoke over New Jersey. Those are from controlled burns. We looked yesterday. Actually, it was even more impressive yesterday. There were several. These were all controlled burns they're doing in their pine barrens. That's what the smoke is from. And I kind of wish we were doing that here, but we are going to be doing that here, though, at a different time. I think Long Island is going to do it at a different time than New Jersey, but it needs to be done. It's important for the health of the forest. But that is another subject, as you know. So let's get to the models right now. High pressure building in from the north, and that's going to bring us that cold, dry weather for tomorrow. But the high does quickly move offshore. Saturday, we start getting into a return flow. And by Sunday, we're going to see warm air surging into the area. Southwesterly flow, you can see looking at that with an Atlantic ridge. And a chance of showers as well in the forecast. Although it'll be warm, we're going to be dealing with the chance of showers for quite a few days. Monday, Tuesday, and then maybe we'll finally get rid of it by Wednesday. So it'll be a little bit of an unsettled week next week. You can see that. Let's take a closer look. Although people are clamoring about it being warmer, yeah, but it's going to be cloudy and with a chance of showers. I'd rather have cold and sunshine. All right, that's my own opinion. But anyway, let's go to the HRRR model. 0Z. Obviously, nothing going on as far as precipitation goes. I'm not even going to look at it. You can roll this along, you'll see there's nothing to look at. But let's go look at our dew point wind flow, and you'll see here the northwesterly flow, and almost a due northerly flow for tomorrow, actually. And then by the afternoon, it starts becoming southwesterly. So that shows you it's short-lived, and we have that southerly flow for your Saturday, which will bring in milder air, although it will result in temperature variations across the area, I think, with New Jersey being a lot warmer. But by morning, at least the actual air temperatures, you're looking at temperatures around 20 degrees. And then during the day, we actually will make it to the mid-30s. We'll warm up because the cold air advection wanes by the afternoon, and that'll allow us to warm up above freezing into the mid-30s. And then for tomorrow night, we may have to watch out for radiation cooling. Depends if those clouds kind of roll in. We're going to look at that. That keeps a lid on it. So that's probably why it's not cooling it off that much, because the clouds are going to roll in. And then Saturday, while it will be much milder, we're going to be dealing with a lot of cloud cover. You'll see that when we get to look at the cloud forecast. But you can see there 50s over New Jersey and upper 40s on Long Island. Now, if we go to the GFS and we go beyond that, this is where we start seeing a lot of warmth for some areas. And this is Sunday. Sunday could be the warmest day for our area. Possibly 60s in Nassau, maybe near 70 in the city. 50s over Long Island. We're going to be a southwest wind, so there will be a sea breeze. But in Jersey, I think you're going into the 70s on Sunday. And you can see we have this backdoor front that moves through. And then Monday, look at that. That's pretty crazy right there. Could be 40s on Long Island, but well into the 70s, the southern half of New Jersey. That's pretty crazy right there. But anyway, I'm not going to really get into that too much in this weather update. Let's go to the skies next. Actually, this is the RGEM. Actually, we can look at a few other models that spread the warmth a little more. We can look at that. This is the RGEM, 18Z RGEM. And you can see it's spreading the warmth a lot more. Here's Sunday, and it doesn't. It only takes us out to this point Monday, but we can look, which is the RGM as a part of the Canadian. It seems like it brings in a lot more warm air. Look at that! Wow, that's really impressive. So we're gonna have to see what happens when more of the short-range models get a hold of this. So there's a potential for a lot of warmth, especially if you're in New Jersey. 80 degrees is a possibility at this point. What about the Icon model? The Icon has the backdoor front. So for some reason, the Canadian doesn't want to bring the backdoor front through, but the other models seem to want to bring it through. Well, anyway, we're here to look at the skies. So let me go back to the RGM. That just kind of caught my eye there when I went to do that. Okay, so here's the skies for tomorrow. We're clear, and I think we stay that way through the entire day. Perhaps a few clouds as you get toward the afternoon, late in the afternoon with some cirrus, but I think for the most part we are clear. And then Saturday, obviously, we're going to deal with lots of clouds, and Sunday as well. And again, this is the Canadian model here with the sky cover. GFS seems to show a lot more clouds. Again, the Canadian probably showing less clouds. That's why it's warmer. But either way, next week you could see plenty of clouds around with that front. We're going to have to deal with stall front syndrome next week on unsettled weather. But like I said, I'm not going to really talk about next week too much in this weather update. We can also look at the NAM sky cover model here. This is the 0Z NAM, which we will use because it shows tomorrow. So you can see we're mostly sunny tomorrow. I think we have a clear day, pretty much right into the late afternoon hours where a few wisps of cirrus or contrails could show up. But I think other than that, I think we have a clear day. I think it's going to be a very nice day. We can check one more site for the skies, and that's windy.com. The windy, and actually I want to check windy because this is the Euro. We can look at the temperatures for next week too if you want. But here we are, clouds. You can see 11 a.m., 1 p.m. We're still clear, so it keeps us clear. But you can see a little bit of high cloudiness over New Jersey at this time, and the reason why is this upper level humidities will be increasing. So if we look at the humidity, 400 HP. This is 400. You can see there's a little more humidity in Jersey. It's 400. Let's go to 300. That's 250. I want 300. You can see there's moisture off to the west, but again, Long Island we should be fairly clear. That doesn't come in until 5 p.m. and then you're going to start seeing that come in. But other than that, I think we're clear. It's going to be a nice day, although it's going to be cold. All right, let's get back to the surface here. That's a loft. Although it'll be cold, you'll see that the wind does swing around to the southwest, so that'll help. It won't be that windy tomorrow. Maybe in the morning you'll feel the wind a little bit, but I don't think it'll be that windy like it was today, so it shouldn't feel so bad. But let's see how warm the European model gets it for Sunday. I'm kind of curious at this. Yeah, you could see 70s over Jersey. Long Island could be in the 50s. Sky cover. What about sky cover? Yeah, see, it's got less clouds. So depends on how much sunshine we get, you know. But yeah, we're watching this because this could be record warmth. But for Monday, you can see it's got the backdoor front here. So you see it's got the easterly flow over Long Island and warmer over Jersey. So we're going to have to watch this backdoor front, this front coming through, which could actually, you know, I think Sunday right now has the potential to be the warmest day on Long Island. But we'll have to keep an eye on it for you. Either way, I think tomorrow is the best day because it'll be clear. That's it for this weather update. Take care, and thank you for watching.